Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the coolant temperature sensor on the Ford Mondeo 2010 MK4 2-liter TDCI. This car's got a problem of the temperature gauge not moving at all. The needle just stuck at 60 or less. So what we have done is we have bought a brand new temperature sensor from Euro Car Parts for £15. This is a part number if you want for Euro Car Parts. The next thing we're going to do is we have removed the battery cover out. Then after that, we have also taken off the air filter box. It's not very simple to change this one, so I've taken this air filter box out. Then we have located the temperature sensor. It's down here. So the first thing you need to do is you need to take this pipe off by removing the clip first. This clip. So once the clip is off, then the next thing you see, there's another clip down there which secures the temperature gauge sensor. So maybe if you can see, so this is the one. So once the clip is over, then just pull this one off and you can change. So it's been done. Total time should be about roughly 20 minutes to change it, or if you're not an expert, maybe about 30 minutes. Bye.